Manas Nagulapalli vs. Nikhil Maliyakkal comparison video. Real name Manas is Manas Nagulapalli. Nikhil is Nikhil Maliyakkal. Nickname Manas is Manas. Nikhil is Nikhil. Date of birth Manas is 2 August 1990. Nikhil is 28 June. Age Manas is 35 years. Nikhil is approximately 30 years. Birthplace Manas is Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Nikhil is Mysore, Karnataka. Profession Manas is actor. Nikhil is actor. Height Manas is 5 feet 10 inches. Nikhil is 5 feet 10 inches. Weight Manas is 72 kilograms. Nikhil is 82 kilograms. Education Manas is BTech. Nikhil is graduate. Famous for Manas is Koilamma serial. Nikhil is Gorintaku serial. Year active Manas is 2011. Nikhil is 2016. Debut movie Manas is Jalak movie. Nikhil is Ooty movie. Debut television Manas is Koilamma serial. Nikhil is Manaya Mantralaya serial. Marital status Manas is married. Nikhil is unmarried. Total movies Manas is 6 movies. Nikhil is 1 movie. Religion Manas is Hindu. Nikhil is Hindu. Nationality Manas is Indian. Nikhil is Indian. Zodiac sign Manas is Leo. Nikhil is Cancer. Hobbies Manas is reading books, listening music. Nikhil is traveling, dancing. Instagram followers Manas is 377k. Nikhil is 319k. YouTube followers Manas is 40.2k. Nikhil is 12.4k. Facebook followers Manas is 81.3k. Nikhil is 14.9k. Twitter followers Manas is 6.4k. Nikhil is 530 followers. Do like and subscribe. Comment your favorite one.